Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Stitch wearing sunglasses, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started right in the middle for the frame of the glasses, and we're just going to curve this in. We're going to step up, continue to frame in the center, curving that across, ending that at the same width. On the top here, we're going to curve this out and over on a diagonal, replicating that as we curve that across on the right. Let's come down. On the inside here, we're going to curve this out. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now from here, we're going to continue to round that out underneath, tucking that in on the side, ending this so it ends slightly further in than the line on the top. We'll do the same on the right. Now let's draw in a small diagonal line coming out, ending that at the same width. And then we're just going to close that off on the side with a slight curved line. Let's draw in the lenses now. So on the inside, we're going to curve this line down. Moving underneath, let's arch this around, following the shape of the glasses underneath. We'll add in the nostril in the corner, curving that out, coloring that in black. Let's frame in the head here. So on the top, we're going to curve this line down on the left and right hand side. We'll continue to extend this underneath, rounding that out, curving that in, flattening out the chin. And we'll replicate that on the right. So we're just going to curve this around, blending that back in together. Let's come underneath now. We're going to curve this line around and up, and we'll do the exact same thing on the right. We'll extend this through on the top, curving that out. Now let's move up. We're going to draw in two curved lines, one shorter as we come into the top. Let's come down for Stitch's mouth. So we're going to draw in a corner bracket on the left and right hand side. We're going to curve this line down, up in the center, back down and across on the right. Now underneath, let's curve this line down. And then right in the middle, let's just draw in a curved line. Now as we come in towards the top, we're going to curve this line in towards the center, leaving a gap. Now we're going to draw in the tuft of hair here. So we're going to come up, we're going to curve this line out, tucking that back in. We're going to move up, replicating that, curving that over and down. And then we'll arch this out to the side, curving that back in. Let's draw in the ears. So we're going to curve this line out, up and over, replicating that on the opposite side, ending that at the same height. Now on the left, we're going to round this out further on the top, leaving a gap. And then we're just going to draw in a sideways letter V. Now let's pull that all the way back in. So we're going to curve this over and through on the side of the head. And then we're going to curve this down and in, closing that off on the top, curving that in towards the sunglasses. Let's do something similar on the right, except we're going to extend this further down on the right hand side. We're going to draw in a sideways letter V again. And then we're going to come underneath, curving that in. Let's curve that out on the right. And then underneath, we're going to curve this over and across. And that is it. That's how you draw Stitch wearing sunglasses. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.